Okay guys, this is the solution of your test number 1. Given that 2k plus 6, 2k and k plus 2 are the first three terms of geometric with positive ratio. Okay, so for this one, we will take a look at this term is a geometric. Yeah, so if you find this kind of problems, you have to find the ratio first. So the ratio is 2k over 2k plus 6, yeah, u2 over u1. And then for the second one is r equals to k plus 2 over 2k, u3 over u2. And we also know that when the sequence is geometric, the ratio should be the same. Therefore, we will get 2k over 2k plus 6 equals to k plus 2 over 2k. Okay, and then next we have to cross multiply this times this, and then that times that. 2k plus 2 times 2k equals to 4k squared equals to 2k plus 6 times with k plus 2. Okay, and then we have to repeating. Yeah, it will become 2k squared, and then plus 6k plus 4k is 10k plus 12. And then go to the left, all of them. It will become 2k squared minus 10k, and then minus 12 equals to 0. We can divide it by 2. K squared minus 5k minus 6 equals to 0. And then we can factorize 6, 1, negative plus k equals to 6, k equals to negative 1. And because the question says positive ratio, I believe that we have to use the 6. Yeah, k equals to 6. We cannot use k equals to negative 1. So after you get the 6, you have to put the 6 into the sequence. The sequence is 2k plus 6. So the sequence earlier is 2k plus 6, comma 2k, comma k plus 2. Yes, k plus 2. So we will have k equals to 6, 12 plus 6, 18, and then 2 times 6, 2, 12, and then 8. Next sentence says 11 arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean means sisipan, ya. Insert between the first and the second term. So from the first and the second term, we will insert 11 terms, and so on, 11 terms, yeah. And the sisipan is arithmetic, so we have to use arithmetic mean formula. Arithmetic mean formula is b accent equals to b over k plus 1, with b is 12 minus 18, the difference between the two terms, yeah, 12 minus 18, over k. K is the number of insert, plus 1, the number that we will insert into the between the terms, yeah. So it will be negative 6 over 12, b equals to negative half. After that, the question wants us to find the sum of the 11 first term. So S11 equals to n over 2 in the bracket 2a is 2 times 18 plus 11 minus 1 times negative half. There you go. So the answer will be 11 over 2 times 36 minus 5, yes, 31, 3, 4, 1 over 2, 170,5. There you go. This is the first answer. And the second question is, given that the middle term, the midterm of an arithmetic sequence, consists 23 terms. So from this one, you will know that the n equals to 23, and the middle term is 1. The middle term is 1. So middle term equals to ut equals to 1. And then after that, the last term means un equals to 43, or maybe you can say like u23 equals to 43, because the sequence consists 23 terms. After that, We will start from the ut equals to a plus un over 2. So the ut is 1 equals to a we don't know yet. Un is 43 over 2, cross multiply 2 equals to a plus 43. Move the 43, you will get negative 41 equals to a. After you get the a, you can find the b using u23, the last term. The last term is a plus n minus 1 times the difference. So u23 is 43 equals to a is negative 41 plus 23 minus 1, 22 times b. 84 equals to 22b. Okay, the number is not good, yeah, so but that's okay. We can divide by 2, so it will become 42 over 11. Like this. And then the question wants us to find the 12th term. The 12th term, u12 equals to a plus n minus 1 times b equals to negative 41 plus n minus 1, 12 minus 1 times b, 42 over 11. So negative 41 plus 42 equals to 1. And then the question wants us to find the sum of all terms. The sum of all terms mean S23 equals to 23 over 2 n over 2 times 2a, 2 times a, the a is negative 41, plus n minus 1 times the difference. The difference is 42 over 11. So the answer will be 23 over 2 times negative 82 plus cross out 1 and 2, 84, yeah. So the result is 23. There you go. This is for number 2. And for number 3, I believe that you only have to see this picture, because this picture tells everything, yeah. So you have to find the area, right? The area will be, area of the first is 5 times 5, area of a square, yeah. So it will be 5 times 5. For this one, it will be 5 times 5. And then for the second one, the second area, you can see this square as a rhombus. So rhombus is belah ketupat, ya. Belah ketupat itu formulanya apa? We have the formula for area of rhombus is diagonal 1 times diagonal 2 over 2, ya. So this is the diagonal 1, which is 5, and this is the diagonal 2, which is 5 also, over 2. So the answer will be 25 over 2. And then for the third area, the third area is this square. Yeah, this square have 2.5 centimeter as its side, so it will be 5 over 2 times 5 over 2 equals to 25 over 4. So as you can see from this to this, from the first term to the second term, the ratio is half. 25 times half equals to 25 over 2. And then also the ratio for the next is half. So we are sure that this is a geometric formula, okay, geometric sequence. Okay, so we have to use either the sum of n terms, the first n terms, or the sum of infinite. The question says this man is going continuously. That means infinite. Yeah, so we have to use S infinite. S infinite equals to A over 1 minus R equals to A is 50, the first area, and 1 minus R is half. So the first area is 25, and then 25 over half. 25 over half equals to 50 centimeter square. There you go. This is the answer for number 3. That is the solution for your test. I hope you can study from this video so that your remedial will pass the KKM. Thank you guys. Bye bye.